Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing another braiding hair tutorial, aka box braids. I'm still using Expressions. This is pretty much the only brand of braiding hair that I used, or that I often use, and this is the Ultra Braid 1B 350. 350 is in the copper color, and I think this is my second time trying this copper color. I really like these ombre shades, as I've said, and I'm gonna try it in every shade that the shop has to offer. So that's what it's gonna look like, and I think it looks beautiful against my skin tone. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to be as neat as possible. I'm going to use box shape partings, and I'm going to try and use the bricklayer method. And the reason why I use the word try is because I don't have a bird's eye view of my own head, so it's not as easy to do the bricklaying method in my own hair. But when I'm doing other people's hair, I have a bird's eye view and I can do a much better job. I'm using some hair lotion by Organic Root Stimulator and also some gel by Eco Styler, just to sleek down my hair, make sure it's moisturized and sleek down so that my hair doesn't stick out of the braid. I go in first and pretend that I'm gonna cane row and just continue using that method. And I do this with the nape of my head simply because the nape of my head is short. So just to let you know guys, I did use the Expression braiding hair in an ombre copper color. It's the color 350. I used 2 packs. 2 packs is usually enough to do my whole entire head. And when I do put box braids in, aka single plaits, I like to wear them for up to 1 month or 1 month and a half. I do go in with dry shampoo on my braids, but then every once in the week then I will go in and shampoo and condition. And I try to treat my braids as if it was my real hair. So I shampoo and condition them, I moisturize them, and I style them. That way when you take out the braids, your hair underneath is not dry and brittle and damaged. So I'm trying to give you a better angle of me braiding my hair in this clip. This is where I've gotten up to at the present moment. So half of my head is completed, actually a bit more than half of my head. That's what it looks like at the back, and now I'm just going to complete this top part, and I'll let you see a close-up when I get closer to the top. So I'm just going to try and show you a close-up angle, so you can have a better view of what I'm doing. But I do have other braiding videos. I'll insert the link above and below, so you can go and check that one out as well. So if you want to see how I do my braids and the different type of colors that I use, because I said I wanted to use all the different colors that Expression has to offer. So I'll be playing in a lot of different braiding hairstyles and colors using the Expressions brand. And I didn't get the best angles in this particular YouTube video, but in my other YouTube video I did get more better angles that you could see more clearly. And this is the last one. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love when it's the last box braid left. I always get excited at this point. So with the top one, again, I pretend that I'm going in and doing a cane roll, but actually I'm plaiting, and I find that it's the best way to help me grip my hair underneath the Expressions braiding hair, and I hope that makes sense. With braids, it's just all about practice. Practice makes perfect. And the 2 flat twists at the front of my hairline, I've done those in order to protect my hairline at the front. I'd rather to protect them and keep them as opposed to lose them because of hairstyles, and my edges are really fragile. So that's the method I use, and I learned it here on YouTube. And these are my end results. I hope you guys like the video. Take care, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.